Welcome to the second part of the tutorials. This is the Save as DAISY add-in for Microsoft Word. So in this tutorial we're going to take the document that you created earlier in the last tutorial and convert it to a DAISY talking book using the Save as DAISY add-in. If you haven't already downloaded and installed the Save as DAISY add-in, you can get it from the menu on Create&Convert. If you're using a computer, just remember if it's linked to a network to check that you have the appropriate administration rights to download and install the files. So this is what Word looks like with the Save as DAISY add-in installed. If I move towards the end of the ribbon, you can see there's a new tab. This is the Accessibility tab, and this is where all the features of the Save as DAISY add-in are located. So here's our document. And you can see I'm just going to explore some of the tools there. So for example, let's look at the acronyms and abbreviations. And you can see on this document there is an acronym there, the Regional Support Centre. So let's just check that. So that's there. So what happens is when the document is converted, the full acronym or abbreviation will be available in the document, will be read in the talking book. Right, so we've checked the validator. Everything's fine. It's just checking to make sure the headings are there, all the things that we covered earlier. Okay, so we've got our document. Now we're going to export it as a DAISY book or to a DAISY book. And just remember it's not any different and it is as easy as saving a Word document as you normally would. So just make sure you have your folder on the desktop or a location of your choice to save the files that we're going to create. And then it's a case of going to Save as DAISY, and there are two options. We're going to choose for this first time we're going to go to full DAISY from single doc, but later on we'll do the Save as XML. So full single doc, and then select the DAISY Pipeline TTS Narrator. Now when the DAISY Pipeline TTS text-to-speech narrator box appears, select the output folder, that's the one that we created earlier, complete the title, the author and publisher fields. So let's just do that. So it's essentially if it's the name of the book, name of the author and the publisher. Okay, so that's final stage is select the translate button. This is going to translate our document into audio. So depending on the size and complexity of the document will depend on the time it takes to translate it. Okay, so off it goes. Okay, that's fine. So now we have our document, it's our talking book, it's been exported, and the next stage then is to open it up and read it in the AMIS or the AMI DAISY reader. Really straightforward, not difficult at all. So when you open up AMI, the file it's looking for when you export it as a full DAISY is a SpeechGem OPF file. That's a SpeechGem OPF. And then DAISY book opens and you can just navigate around, change background colours, increase magnification, a very inclusive format for a range of learners.